Hello, my name is Matthew Perez, and this is my week 2 video journal for MPA520 Leadership and Management course, in which I'll be discussing my temperament survey results. Now let's begin by showing my results of the temperament survey, and as you can see, after answering questions 1 through 70, the letters with the highest amounts was I, S, T, and J. Now let's discuss what ISTJ means. So I is a type of person that's introverted or reserved, and I can agree with this since I am a quiet person who's on the reserved side. And S is the type of person who's observant, and I can agree with this as well. I'm a listener, and I rather listen than be the center of attention during a discussion. And then T is the type of person who's tough-minded and the thinker, and I can agree with this since I'm somebody who often likes to think before I react and have a well planned out, um, thoughtful process before I do something. And I actually had a supervisor from my previous supervisor who said I needed to use my more natural instinct than to think about the process. Um, so I can agree with that. And then J is the type of person who schedules, and I can agree with this since I'm a person who does an actual to-do list almost every day. And even when I'm on vacation, I'll create itineraries for each day of the trip. So I can agree with the 4 letters that I was most common with. The one thing that was surprising was the type of person that these letters are most common with is an inspector. And I never thought of myself as an inspector, but I can understand how that can be associated with the letters ISTJ. So in conclusion, after completing the temperament survey and reviewing the results, I can agree with the 4 different letters that occurs these descriptions, and the only thing would be surprising is the character type as inspector was something that I never thought of personally, but I could see how it would fit after reviewing the results. And here's a worksheet with my references.